Core video, one more video today. I'll show you something special, okay? So, first of all, look at the title of this Shopify product, the title and the description. And look at this short description, this meta field, okay? So, I've created this custom field. I will show you how. First of all, you may have seen this short description and we've used the multi-line, okay? So the type will be the multi-line text. Now this was the first step you have to create. This was very simple to create this, and after this now you have to go to the the theme page, okay? The theme page code editor. Now okay, let me show you how. So first of all, what you're going to do is go to the online store. After going to the online store, so click customize, okay? After clicking customize button, and what we get here is just switch to product, keep it default product, okay? So now so here you can see the first of all, where is this? Okay, I got this, the product description, okay, the title and the text. So this text was so I have created this using okay another block. This was the text. So this text was not appearing, okay? So what I did is, okay, when you came here also you see some connect dynamic sources. So I don't see any short description which I had created in the definition. So how can I connect this if it's not showing? Okay, it has to show there because of the theme code, I think the premium theme. So maybe that has to be the problem. So let's get back to the custom liquid. What we're going to do is we will create a custom liquid. Okay, I see here custom liquid created. Okay, I've already done this before. Now what you're going to do is uh, look at the this is the for styling one, the CSS code, and this code is actually I have pasted this, okay? So simply I've pasted this and this is it will show you the product page. So whenever you click and just okay, so this is something which comes in a premium. So I what I'm doing is I'm just teaching you free of cost, okay? So this is something which is more advanced and you will only find in premium pages themes. So this is a free. So coding is one another thing that you can do it all free. So okay, so this was done, and in the shop what we'll do is we'll also show the text description over here. So this will be a bit complex, but we'll solve this, no problem. And here also look at here, this one will also show here, okay? This looks more amazing, fantastic, okay? Actually, whenever you showcase your product, people definitely catches the title, but also the short description, which may get something got into that core of the product. Okay, so definitely this is gonna help you to increase the sales, and many people will find it very easy. But what about the pro? what product you have already selling it, and let's see what happens. And I have customized many things. Okay, so it's all totally free. I've done all this totally free. And okay, the this one also frequently bought together. These three, another two product was from the upsell. This was also like free, man. It's all free. You don't have to buy something, okay, deeper define everything. Nothing. You just everything is free right now. The AI agents and the chatbots. Okay, Grok, ChatGPT, everything. Everything is free right now. Get the advantage of it. Okay. So if you want to get the so this was the code I have. You have what you have to do is to just save it. If you can look at this, make pause the video and just save this. Okay. Okay. Our work is done, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep keep chilling, bro.